So I was reading a post yesterday and someone was asking a question that when it comes to intertribal marriages, what tribe in Nigeria actually marry another tribe most in Nigeria? And I went through the comments and I saw that it was Yoruba men getting married to Igbo women, Yoruba women followed by Yoruba women getting married to Igbo or Hausa or Northerners, and hardly will you see anyone mention Northerners getting married to Yoruba or Northerners getting married to Igbos. That's not to say that we don't have Northerners getting married to Yoruba and Igbos, but we have a very few percentage of Northerners getting married to anyone outside of their tribe. I think when you look at all the tribes in Nigeria, you will find out that the tribe that is most relaxed and wants to experiment or do something outside of their tribe, and they wouldn't want to listen to anyone telling them what to do, they are free to accommodate anyone and do what they like, are the Yorubas. A Yoruba man would rather give a contract to someone from another tribe than give it to his own brother. Yes, a Yoruba man would rather give an opportunity to anyone based on qualification and how good they are, rather than looking at them like from the angle of, oh, this person is from my tribe. Actually, Yoruba men favor other tribes than their own tribe. Yes, a Yoruba man would rather want to have an Igbo man in his company or a Northerner in his company than have a Yoruba man in his company, because he believes that this Yoruba person is going to be aiming to be better than him, and he wants to be the only Yoruba man in the company that is doing well. I watched a video where a past president of Nigeria was asked a question. He said, if there is a job in Nigeria and you have to employ someone to do the job, which tribe would you rather employ to do that job? And this past president happened to be a Northerner. He said he will give the job to a Northerner. The interviewer now asked him, if you can't see anyone from the north, what will you do? He said, if I can't see anyone competent from the north to do the job, if I can't see anyone at all, I will give it to an expatriate. That means he will give it to someone outside of the country to do the job. And that's why you will hardly see a Northerner saying they want to get married to an Igbo person, which you would rather hardly see, or saying they want to accommodate people from other tribe. They would rather give it to someone from their own tribe than give it to anyone else. In fact, if they're giving it out to anyone else, maybe that's the crumbs from the table that they are passing to people from other tribe. So I know that a lot of people have seen this happening in Nigeria already. Whenever we have a president that is coming from the north, try to look at the list. Look at the list. Look at the percentage of Northerners that will be on the ministerial list, on any bigger parastatal that they want to put anybody. Look at the list. In fact, they don't mind putting 80% Northerners on the list. If you want to die, they will do what they want to do. It's only when you have a Yoruba man there that they will now talk of percentage. A Yoruba man would rather say, okay, let's have 60% Northerners, let's have maybe 30%, 25% or 20% Yoruba people on the list, and let's have so percentage of Igbos on the list. But when it comes to the Northerners, they don't care. In fact, they can put it 100% Northerners. And that's why when it comes to even the ticket, they are telling you people, we want Muslim tickets. What are you going to do about it? They love their people. They are showing it that they love their people. It is us against the world. It is a Northerner first before any other person. So I don't see any reason why a Yoruba man too should have an opportunity and you don't want to give your own people. Like, are you mad? Try as much as possible to accommodate your people. In fact, Yoruba people are one of the most educated people in Nigeria. Quote me anywhere. So you can't tell me that you can't find a Yoruba man that is well qualified. That is bullshit. You have highly qualified Yoruba people. Give opportunities to your people as well. I'm not saying that you shouldn't accommodate people from other tribes, but as also give opportunity to your own people. Ati wa too like liberal Jew. I need the simplest of the simplest in this country. To bá fún opportunity for àwọn Igbo náà, same thing na ona ma ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n wa Yoruba àti simple jù yẹn tí wá fẹ́ máa sọ wá di òde. To opportunity bá wà, ẹ pa àwọn èèyàn tí yín kan wá jẹ ńbẹ̀. That's the message.